Igbo have always been known for excellence. Whether it's business, technology, arts, or literature, we don't just participate, we innovate. But today, we are diving into a field many have never heard of, yet one of our very own has conquered it on a global level. He's a scholar, an inventor, an artist, a writer, and a world-class academic. Meet Professor Ikechukwu Benjamin Ezeohagwu, popularly known as Professor Ben Ikechukwu. This brilliant mind is the first Nigerian and Black African professor of graphoanalysis. That's the science of understanding human personality through handwriting and graphical behavior. Think of graphoanalysis like reading someone's inner thoughts, not through what they say, but how they write or even how they move. Professor Ben created an advanced system called BENEZOGRAFS, a scientific way of measuring personality traits and mental patterns through handwriting and even body language. In short, he gave Africa a new lens to study human behavior scientifically. Now, this is where it gets groundbreaking. BENEZOGRAFS is a patented system created by Professor Ben in 2012. It combines graphics and statistics to analyze not just handwriting, but also energy waves related to a person's mind and behavior. Imagine being able to detect stress, honesty, confidence, and even mental health traits from just the way someone writes or gestures. That's what his invention does. It's like psychology meets technology, all from a pen stroke. Born on August 29, 1970, in Ngbidi, Enugu State, Ben Ikechukwu's journey was not one of privilege, but of passion and persistence. He attended schools in both Enugu and Osun states, later earning diplomas, degrees, and professorships from institutions in Nigeria, the USA, and the Republic of Benin. His studies span comparative arts, graphopsychology, fine and applied arts, and visual graphoanalysis. And yes, he graduated with distinction multiple times. Professor Ben's achievements are not just academic, they are historic. He's the first Black African winner of the Onigraphics Prize in Literature 2017 and has achieved multiple honors from Nigerian institutions and international universities. In 2015, he was appointed Professor of Graphoanalysis by Edexcel University in Benin Republic and the University of Business Technology in USA. He also served as a consultant graphologist to Yaba College of Technology, Lagos State. Professor Ben did not just study graphoanalysis, he shaped it. His work includes areas like neurographical graphoanalysis, which examines the relationship between the brain and handwriting. He brought African context and excellence into a field dominated by Western voices. And it doesn't end there. Professor Ben is also a talented visual artist, a celebrated literary figure, and a fellow in 8 prestigious Nigerian institutes, from leadership and crisis resolution to creative arts and scientific handwriting analysis. In a world that often overlooks African contributions to science, Professor Ben stands tall. He did not wait for recognition, he created it. From Ngbidi to international lecture halls, he has proven that with brilliance and resilience, Igbo and indeed all Africans can lead in science, innovation, and thought leadership. So the next time someone tells you African excellence is only in music or sports, tell them about Professor Ben Ikechukwu, the man who turned handwriting into a science and gifted Africa a new intellectual path with BENEZOGRAFS. Celebrate our heroes, share their stories. Let the world know we have always been great. If you found this inspiring, like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.